Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your American Express account. Follow some simple steps with me. If you are new to the channel, do subscribe to us for more informative videos. Moving on to the video, open your browser and default search engine, and search American Express login. Enter the first link or go to www.americanexpress.com. It will then take you to the official website of American Express. Click Login from the top right corner of the page. Then enter your user ID and password, and click Login. You should be able to log in and access your American Express account. To make login easier for next time, you can click on Remember Me, but I do not recommend doing it on a public computer. If you forget your user ID or password, you can reset it from here. You can also create a new online account by clicking here. That's all for today's video. Comment down your thoughts on this video, and if you guys find our video helpful, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. See you guys next time. Bye bye.